Hey guys, today we're going to replace a position bulb that is burnt out on a 2008 Volvo XC90. First thing you need to do is to lift up this panel here. All right. Then you remove these straps. Lift this piece up, a little tight. There we go. All right, next step, I'm gonna lift this little panel out of the way. Hopefully that can come up. Yeah, you just want to get this little panel out of the way. Lift straight up so you can get into this panel here. All right, I'm gonna have to put the camera down and just do that because there are a couple of 10 mil bolts you have to unhook. All right, once you remove those couple 10 mil bolts here, then the whole unit can slide off. All right, so the bulb that we want is right here. So I'm gonna take that off. I need to run to the car parts store and be right back. All right, back from the store. Got a 2-pack of bulbs, gonna replace both sides. Don't forget to wear rubber gloves when you put them back in so you don't get oils from your skin that could make the bulbs burn out faster. Okay, so we are back in business. Light is replaced. Easy job. Thanks for watching.